this is Tasha, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before with makeup in fashion or passion. On today's video, I'm gonna show you my small collection of Dooney Bourke. I can't find all my purses, which seems to be a running theme today. It's not been able to find all of my objects because someone has went shopping on me, and it took in things that I did not notice right off was gone. Now, we're starting off with the handbag for Bourke and Dooney. As everybody knows, this solid purse is no longer being made. Now the story about this is that I bought two of them, one red and one purple, which is this one, the purple and gold. Now with the red one, my mother came over to visit with me, and she saw the bag and she wanted it, so she asked me for it, and I was like, Mom, I want my bag. It was brand new. I just want my bag. I just got it 2 days ago. So then she was like, well, I want it. So when I went downstairs, I said, well, let me think about it. So I ran downstairs to check the mailbox, and just so happened that this one was in the mailbox at the same time. So when I came back up, like I said, I asked her which one did she want, and she wanted the red one. And I was like, okay, I can live with that. And ever since then, I've been trying to buy a pink or a red one, and they're very hard to come by. Very hard to come by. But there's some good purses. As you can see, this is a very good purse. There's a pocket in the back. Very pretty purse. Alright, so this is my Bumblebee. Never worn it, but I plan on using it when I travel. Because not only do I have this, but I have a duffel bag. So when I plan to go visit my brother and my sister-in-law, I probably would take this as a set to go down there. Okay, so now we have the plastic shopping bag. I have worn this in the past. I used to wear it a whole lot, and it's still in good condition for it to have been worn so many times. And as you see, the handle is not even patinaed. I'm sorry, it has not even turned colors. So this is what it looks like. Very pretty bag. And so I recently got this one, and I'm gonna try to find something to match it. But this here's another shopping bag as well. I've had this one for like 5 or 6 months. Got it on sale on eBay from the Bourke and Dooney store itself that they have on eBay. So I didn't pay a lot for it, but now I've seen the other ones that they have on there, and they're charging an arm and a leg for them because it's the last one. Alright, so this is another Bourke and Dooney bag of mine. As you can see, I haven't worn this either. Or have I? I don't remember if I have or haven't. That is a question. Alright, so here's my other bee bag. I haven't carried this one either. Or have I? I'm not too for sure. I've had it for like 5, 6 years. So I'm not for sure if I have or haven't. But the handles don't show any wear on them. So this is what it looks like in the inside. You see a pocket here, pocket here. Alright. Now this one that's coming up, I have worn, and I've enjoyed it. And this is what it looks like on the outside. And the handles, you can see here, the handles look kind of brown. As you can see, the stain marks. I've carried this one several times. Which just dawned on me, I'm trying to buy one with hearts. I've been recently looking for a Dooney Bourke handbag with hearts on it. Here it is. I have a heart bag already. What am I thinking? I'm gonna go in there and delete those other ones. I don't need one. I already got one. How stupid of me. Like, I didn't really think about it. I should check through my supplies to begin with, and I would have noticed it. And this one here, I've also carried a lot, and I so enjoy it. Well, I enjoyed it. I haven't carried it in over 5, 6 years though. Like I said, I have a lot of bags. This is what the bottom looks like. Let's see if I can go on the inside. There's a pocket here. This pocket here. I think that's all I got for now. Well, depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. And God bless. Bye.